Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share my hair care routine. I was actually asked this question, and when I first received the question, I was like, I don't really have a hair care routine. But then thinking about it more deeply, I realized that I do. It's very simple, and I think it's the basics. I'm not obsessed with my hair, like I don't do masks every single day, but I do follow some kind of routine that I do in order to take care of my hair, to make sure they're healthy and look very lively and taken care of. So one thing I do is, I think number one is that I wash my hair every day. I know it's not for everybody, but it's just my hair gets greasy really quickly, and so for me personally, I feel more confident in my hair when I wash them every day. And I've talked to a lot of professionals, and they say it's actually healthier. If that's what your hair needs, then that's what you should give it, because actually keeping a lot of the natural hair oils in your hair is not actually as healthy as you might think. So that's one thing I do. It's a lot of work, but you gotta get it done. Secondly is after when I dry my hair, I always use hair oil on my ends to make sure they're always moisturized. And the hair oil that I really love and I've been using for over a year now is the Gizu hair oil. I really like the small travel bottle because it's easy to travel with and it lasts a long time, and really you don't really need more than that. But I hope the audio is fine. Thirdly, something life changing, and I'm sure a lot of Dyson owners will understand me, and it's having a Dyson hair dryer. I can't tell you enough about this device. It's really, your life changes to before and after, and you feel it in your hair. And just by using this hair dryer, you feel like you're already doing so much for your hair, because you really do. The way it dries is so different. It doesn't over dry your hair, it dries it much quicker, and it's just love, 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 love. If you have never tried it, it's really it's an investment, but it's one of the best investments you're gonna do. So highly, highly recommend. And fourth, and which is something I actually did today, and that's why I wanted to film this video today in combination with what I did, is I trim my ends every 3 to 4 months, because it ensures their health, healthy growth, and just a refresh. And that's something I've been doing for over 3 years. And doing just this routine, simply trimming your ends, just makes your hair so much healthier, more alive, and it's just like brushing your teeth. Something I do every 3 to 4 months, and really works, and I can't recommend it enough, and I think everyone should do it. So actually, and today my hairstylist, she shared a few things that I didn't know and that I am going to implement now. And apparently it's that you probably can say it's very simple and I should have been doing that, but I haven't, and it's using a thermal protector, and I didn't do that. And that's something I will be adding to my hair care routine. Another thing that I'm really excited to try, and that she told me about today, is hair toning, which I thought people did who already had dyed hair, and apparently you don't have to have your hair dyed in order to get that treatment. And it works in many ways. It's really actually healthy for your hair. It lasts about a month or so, but it gives it a really, like, it tones your color. And I'm really excited to try it. I've already signed up and I cannot wait to try it. And yeah, but there's 4 steps that I do: is wash my hair every day, hair oil, Dyson, and trimming my hair every 3 to 4 months is my hair care routine, and something I've been sticking to for over 2 years. And my hair changed drastically, because before that I didn't do anything. Like, I didn't take care of my hair at all, because I didn't know how to, and I didn't know that it really made that big of a difference. But going into more beauty, more skincare, just hair care, you really do feel a difference. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful in some way or another, and let me know if you have any more questions and comments. I would really love to hear, and leave them down below. And I'll see you in the next one.